this video, I'm going to show you how to create a US bank account that you can use to receive international payment for free. So if you're a freelancer, a digital marketer, affiliate marketer, I normally receive an international payment and you have been looking for how you can create a US bank account that you can use to receive international payment, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a US bank account that you can use to receive international payment for free, and you can do this process in just 5 minutes. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get the step-by-step on how to create a US bank account that you can use to receive your international payment. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you tips on how you can work from home and make passive income for yourself. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop a nice comment on the comment section. So let's dive in. The site we're going to use for this is called Cleva. So with this site, you can download the app on your phone or you can use the site. So you can create a US bank account with it, and you can also create a dollar virtual card that you can use to make payment online. This is the particular one you're going to install. So go to your app store or your Google Play Store, then you install this app on your phone. I've already installed it on my phone. I'll click on open. So it's going to take me to this interface. So there are many things you can do with this app. So the first thing here is smart USD banking. So you can use it to open a US bank account. If you are living in Nigeria, then instantly convert your currency. So you can convert your US dollar to naira or your naira to US dollar, and they will give you a good rate on this app. Then the next thing is make online payment. So you can also use to make online payment. So you can create a visual card, a US visual dollar card that you can use to make payment in any online platform. So the first thing you need to do is for you to create an account. You click on create account. It's going to take you to this interface. So you are going to enter your first name and your last name. Then you are going to also choose the government issue ID card. So you're going to use a national identity card to do our verification. Then you enter your email address, your phone number, password. If you have a referral code, you can enter a referral code. So it's very important. So make sure you enter this referral code that you can see on your screen. And you can check the description of this video. You see this referral code. If you use this referral code, they are going to give you bonus on your first deposit, or once you receive any payment, they're also going to give you a bonus. So make sure you use this referral code that you can see on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So let's fill in our details. So make sure you fill in all your details. So I've entered my name, my first name, last name, my country, the email address, my phone number. Then enter the referral code. Then you click on this toolbox. So make sure you tick on this toolbox. Then you click on continue. You have to hold on for some minutes. So they bring me to this interface. So verify your email address. So then you go and check your email to verify your email address. So we're going to go to our email. So you can see the email now. Click on it. Then I'll click on verify your email. So you have to hold on for some minutes for them to verify your email. So email verified successful. So they have successfully verified my email. So I can click on go to login, or I can go back to the app. So click on go to login. So they are going to bring me to this interface. So I'm going to log in with the email address and the password that I provided. Once I enter my email and the password, then I'll click on login. So they're going to bring me to this interface. So I'll successfully log in. So set transaction pin. So you're going to set a 4-digital pin to authorize your transaction on Cleva. So you need to provide them 4 pin that you will use to do transaction on this app. Once you have entered the 4 pin that you want to use, click on submit. So transaction pin created. So I've successfully created my transaction pin. So the next thing I will do is I will click on continue. the next thing is for me to complete my KYC, to verify my KYC. So your identity need to be verified. So click here to complete KYC. So I'll click here. Let's verify your identity. We have 3 steps that you need to follow. So the first step is to provide your personal information, your legal name, date of birth. Then the step 2 is to verify your ID. Upload your password, voter's card, driving license, or enter your NIN. So you can use any of these to verify your ID. Then the next step is take a selfie. Complete your verification with a real-time selfie. So to start the process, you click on get started. So it's going to take you to this interface. So you're going to enter all your information, your legal name, that is your first name, your middle name if you have middle name, your last name, your date of birth, your nationality, current address, your city, your state, your zip code. So all of that. So you're going to fill in all of these details. So after you have entered all of your details, you click on save and continue. So they're going to bring you to this next stage. So employment and source of fund, current employment status. So you put in your current employment status, most recent occupation. So once you have filled in all your details, you click on save and continue. So the next step is document verification. Please ensure that you have one of the following documents below. We are unable to accept other documents at this time. So these are the documents that you can use to do your verification. The first one is if you have international passport, you can use that, driving license, voter's card, and then NIN number. So I will select NIN number. Then we click on enter number. So I'm going to enter my 11-digit NIN number. So once you are done, click on submit. So NIN verification successful. So we click on next. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to take a selfie. So to take a selfie, you have to make sure that you are in a very light environment. So you need to take your selfie in a very light environment. So this is an example of the type of selfie I'm going to take. So I've done my face verification. They could not allow me to show you on the camera. I'll click on continue. KYC verification pending. So they're going to take some days for them to, some hours or some days for them to verify. I've successfully created my Cleva account. I want to request for a US virtual bank account. Then you click here. So we are going to do that. So we are going to click on request US bank account. Request a US dollar virtual account. Opening your account is free, so it's free to open. You don't need to pay any money to do that. So to do that, you make sure you click on this place, then you click on confirm. So your US dollar virtual account is getting ready. You will be notified in about 1 day when your virtual account is ready for use. So my account has been created, my US dollar account has been created, and it took me it took just 5 minutes for them to create the account. So if I click on accounts now, you can see the account details, the account name. So if you want to receive an international payment, you send your account name, the bank, you can see the bank, the account number, the routing number, account type, and the address. So these are the details you will copy and send to anybody that want to make payment into your US bank account. If you click on these 3 dots, you can see more details. If you want to do some setting, you click on this T here, you can see some other setting. So if you want to update your profile and if you want to do some other setting, click on that. So let me click on these 3 dots. So the first thing you can see here, you can see home, you can see transaction. So if you do any transaction, you will see all the transaction here. Then if you click on recipient, here you can add a local bank account that you can transfer money to. So you can add your local bank account to this interface so that you can transfer money to that account. Then if you click on referral, here you will get your referral link. Now if you refer somebody, you can earn the $5 for any successful referral. Once a person make any transaction up to $300, you receive $5. Then card, if you want to create a virtual dollar card, then you come to card. You can use this virtual dollar card to make any payment in any international website, and they will accept your payment. So if you come to Cleva virtual card, then you scroll down, then click on create card. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So for you to create a virtual card with Cleva, you have to have at least the minimum of $3. So they will charge you $3. So for the creation of the account, they will charge you $2. Then they will add $1 to the card that you created. So you need to have a minimum of $3 for you to create your Cleva virtual card. So if you have that amount, then you click on accept, then click on continue. I cannot continue now because I don't have any amount in this account now. This is how to create a US bank account. So this is how to create your US bank account with Cleva. So if you got value from this video, make sure you like and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that anytime we upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I will attend to it.